My name is William Becerra, and I graduated from the doctorate ministry degree in 2021 with a concentration in Hispanic ministry and theology. Well, my experience at CTU was really enriching. I had the opportunity to study with lay people, with women, with people preparing for ordination. But it was, the multicultural experience also was very enlightening for me. It was very nice always to have a very diverse classroom where you can actually share ideas and learn from other people's experiences. So it was just the experience of being as a community. It was really tremendous in shaping my ministerial approach.